Rich by popular demand.
The wait is over, homie.
Yes, it is. A-Town
Know
Connect.
the city gon' feel this.
Damn right.
Say two, I know you see me. Chris,
What up, boy?
I know both our pops looking at us. I used to dream.
Wayne Bridges, what
About
up?
the money and the cars and girls.
Let's go.
But now I see
Big Phil, we made this shit happen, homie.
History in the
on top of
making.
the world. The whole world. And now I
Hey.
sing, sing, 'cause I'm sitting on top of the world.
Mama, I did
Now I
it.
sing, 'cause I'm sitting on top of the world.
Hey, man, I remember before I say that, wait, let me issue this statement. No way should reflection be mistaken for glorification. Now, I remember so vivid, me and my niggas was living substandard condition, still handling business, still laughing and tripping, still having the bitches. I'm rapping now, reminiscing, and goddamn it, we did it. From trapping, standing and pitching with bricks, we stand in the kitchen, splitting it 8 ways, flipping it 8 days. Thought the wild and unruly was just the way to behave. Kept away in the yay, but most of the paper we made in all dimes. I ain't lying, the pleasure was all mine. Had big work to move, but we served the small time. Always outshine the niggas with small minds. Who'd have thought we'd be arguably the greatest of all time round here? We developed such a sound down here, been duplicated off the steel, can only be found here. Only listen to G's, that other shit I don't hear. Shit, they so far in the rear, why would I even care? I'm too busy being a player, steering niggas' careers. Been talking about it for years, and now we finally here.
I used to dream about the money and the cars and girls. But now I see, because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see, because I'm sitting on top of the world.
True story. Rest in peace, Wayne Bridges. They say what goes up must come down, but I ain't reached my cruising altitude. Take a look at what I did, but can you imagine what I'm about to do? The places I'm about to go and the money I'm about to see. Gave Bill Gates some binoculars and said, look out for me. Exceeded expectations, even the Def Jam, cause I married the streets and Atlanta has been my best man. My mama quit a job and now she works with 6 figures, cause I'm a self-made, nappy-headed rich nigga. Private planes help me travel in peace to 4 cities in 1 day and 4 countries in 1 week. Cause I work for myself and no one else, cause I'm too smart to put one of my partners right through culinary art school. Now he my personal chef, so that bread he get it. Put them all in houses, cleaned up all of my friends' credit. And now they witness all the glitz and the glamour. Catch us eating at Straits Atlanta with women with table manners. Ordering Singapore and lobster. Celebrating coming from nothing to winning Grammys and rappers winning Oscars. Yeah, and they say rappers shouldn't act. Nah, suckers, we see Samuel Jackson like, what's up, motherfucker?
I used to dream